And now, allow me to welcome Sofia Sfakianopoulou. Please remain in your seats. You will not remain for long, trust me. But let me pass the floor to Sofia Sfakianopoulou, who is a human resources management expert, but she's also a student of Otto Scharmer and Robert Kegan, two very important figures in the Inner Development Goals and not only initiatives. So, Sofia, the floor is yours.
Thank you. I have mine already. So everything we heard so far is very interesting and very profound. But now it's time to bring the body and our senses into the conversation. What we are going to do is a practice of social presencing theater, which was invented by Otto Scharmer and manifested by Arawana Hayashi. Both of them are my teachers, and the purpose of this method is to combine both movement, spirituality, and dialogue in order to see what's the current reality and to go deeper and sense what's the emerging future. So I invite you all to come to the center and we practice together. So just move freely for a moment. Okay. Take a deep breath. Just release the shoulders. Release the arms. Come closer. We have a lot of space. Freely move. Look each other in the eyes and say hello. We've been here for almost 2 days, but do we really know the faces? Say hello, give a smile, release. Try to connect with your body and your senses. Just, if thoughts come, just let them be. Focus on the body. The practice we are going to do today is called the stack. In order to do the stack, what we need is a place, an area in our life, professional or personal, where there is something that we feel is stuck. We want to create something, but somehow it doesn't move forward. So this creates emotions like anger, distress, tension. And what I'm going to ask you to do is to show this through the body. Forget about thinking, forget about the mind. We heard a lot of stories, very interesting stories, and we shared a lot of information, okay? So now let's focus on our bodies, let's focus on ourselves, okay? For example, my stack is like this. I don't want you to say a lot about your stack, but when you look at me, how does it feel? Certainly to me, it feels like I'm being pulled by 2 different forces. My fists are tight and I have a lot of tension in my body. My head is low, my eyes are closed and I don't see. This is one of my current stacks, okay? Another stack I have, because we have a lot of stacks, it depends on the situation, is like this. Can you feel? When you look at me, it's not using the eyes and the thinking, and don't try to analyze. It's just by sensing. That's why kinesthetics are so important. And when we see an athlete making a move, we don't really make the move ourselves, but somehow we feel how it feels to be in this movement physically. So, what you're going to do is focus on the body. Think about something that in your life is creating a stuck for you, and just let the body take you there to this feeling. This is going to be our structure 1, okay? This is mine. But what I want you to do then is stay in this, go deep, see how it feels, and then you will see that somehow this is not sustainable. We cannot stay in this position because my body starts to tremble, and then I follow my senses, and there is something new that's about to come. It's something new that is going to emerge. So I go to my stuck, but then I stay there, I go deep, because this is where all the information comes from. Everything I need to know is in the mess. So take your time, go deep in your stuck, stay with it as long as you can, and then feel how the body wants to move, and what the body wants to say, and where the body wants to take you. Don't think about it, just flow. You can close your eyes, you can do whatever you want, follow the movement, and then the movement by itself comes to the end. And this is my new reality. Maybe it's not here yet, but this is what I created, and it's going to come. We don't have a lot of time, so you can start, focus on the body, forget about thinking, and what I'm inviting you to do in the end, use these red notebooks we have and write, I saw and I felt. What you saw, what you felt about your stuck, and how this stuck evolved, and where this stuck took you, and what was the revelation of this. Small, big, whatever it comes, it's very precious. So, let's start. Feel what the body has to say. Connect with the body. Connect with your senses. Go deep. This is a gold mine of information. The senses. feel. What do their knees want to say? Do their knees want to say something? Your neck? Is it tight? Is it calm? Your legs? Can you feel the touch of the ground, the connection with the earth? Breathe. Don't forget to breathe. Energy, to wake up the senses, to be connected. We connect with ourselves, but we connect with each other. Everything I feel, you also feel. The senses can show us. When you're ready, come to an end. Take a deep breath. I thank you for this, for your participation, and I really welcome you to journal. We don't have time to express how this felt, our experience, but I think, we have, okay. So is there anybody that would like to express what I saw and what I felt? Through this movement.
My beginning, I guess, was to find the, I don't remember the word you used, but the stuck, thank you, the stuck, thank you. And I felt my body very much contract in this space, and my body wanted to release, and I found that my end position felt like the beginning of flight, which was lovely.
Nice, thank you.
My first stack, my first position, something like that. Something like that. I feel really not good, but I feel insecurity because my eyes are not visible for the others because the eyes is the mirror of the heart. And I need somewhere to
hold on.
To hold on, yes. But I have nobody. And I hold nobody and hold on in my mind, in me, on me. After the movement, in the second part, I have stuck like this. There is two characteristics in this stuck. No problem with the others, no problem to see others and the others see me, and a little bit movement in front. That's it.
Thank you.
It was unexpectedly powerful for me. Because at the beginning, the stuck, it was the symptom. And I realized that as I let myself searching from the how to unstuck, I realized that I didn't touch at all. My body didn't want to tackle the symptom, but open all the rest, which was the base for opening at the end the stuck point. And it was really, powerful. Because I experienced this, that how much I focus on the symptom and not on the deeper cause,
Yeah.
which I realized it through the body. Thank you very much.
Thank you too. Okay, so thank you for participating. I wish you a nice evening and all the best. Thank you.